Hi, everybody. Today we're going to work a little more on expanded form. I know you know how to do it with base 10 blocks. I know you know how to do tens and ones because you've been working on that. 3 tens and 1 1 would be 31, which would give you the standard form, right? And base 10 blocks like these, you'd have 3 tens and 1 1. All right, I wanted to work a little more on expanded form. This is a new website. So your teacher's learning. She's got to have grit. Hopefully we go well today. So I am going to build a number in the base 10, and then I am going to hopefully do it in expanded form. Okay. Expanded form just takes the value of the places and adds them together. All right. So if I'm going to do a number, I already brought down. All right. So I've got 3 tens, right? That's how many groups of tens we have, right? 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10. If I want the value, how much this is worth, I would have to count every one of these, right? Or count by tens, 10, 20, 30, right? All right, let me bring some ones down. I brought down 4 ones. Am I right? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I want to show you what this would look like if your teacher says, show me this number in expanded form. We've decided this is 10, 20, 30, 4, right? So we know what standard form looks like. Let's try expanded form. I just found something here that I think might work. So I've got a plus sign. Oh, maybe I want a backspace. Maybe I want to clear that. Backspace. Let's clear it. So if I'm doing expanded form, we always start with the biggest place value. So the tens is bigger. The tens place is bigger than the ones place. So let's see, what's the value of this? So I could count them all, like I said, but we don't need to, do we? We already know the groups in 10. So this is 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to type in 30. And now I'm going to do a plus sign. All right, because it's the value of each place added to each other. Okay, joined to make the number. And we said 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So if I have 30 plus 4, do I have the standard number 34? You're right. Awesome. That's the expanded form for that. Let's try another one. Yes. All right, so let's see how many I can get out. All right, take a minute. Figure out what the number is. You're going to read it to me in standard form, please. Did you guys say 76 standard form? 76. It would be, you can actually see my whiteboard. Standard form, base 10 would be 1. They're showing you in base 10, right? Standard form, you were right, 76. And if we wanted to write it with tens and ones, it would be 7 tens, 6 ones. Base 10 is over here, standard, and it's tens and ones. Now let's try it at expanded form. So we have to find the value of this. So let's count it by tens, right? Because we're in tens. Tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I'm going to get my little keyboard. So the value is 70. I'm going to do it in expanded form. And when we're doing expanded form, we add the values of each place together. So that's the tens place. Now let's see the value of the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's expanded form. Standard form, tens and ones form, 70 plus 6 is expanded form. 70 plus 6. They all equal the number 76. Gosh, guys, nice job. All right. I'm really working on that word value to hopefully you know what it means. We counted here because it was the ones placed by ones and the value was 6. We counted here in the tens place by tens to find out the value, how much this place was worth. 70. All right, let's try one more, and then I might do the hundreds place. All right, so let's clear this. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, here we go. So take a minute, figure it out. Tell me it in standard form. This is base 10 form. I want it in standard form. You ready? 47. You were right. The 4 is for the 4 groups of 10. The 7 is for the 7 ones, right? Can you write it in tens and ones? Well, there's 7 tens, right? Count them. Oh, sorry. 4 tens. I'm doing too much talking today. I'm used to you guys doing the talking. 4 tens, 1, 2, and 7 ones. Expanded form. Here we go. We start with the place value that's the greatest, and the greatest place value is 10 today, right now. So someone tell me what the value, how much the tens place is. Did you guys say 40? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. If we were to count it up, that's how much they're worth. That's the value. So let me get my little, and I want to do 40. And now I got to add it to the ones place to get our number in standard form, but this is expanded form. So we're getting it in expanded form. So what is our number in expanded form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want to, and if we were to join these two together, it would be 47. It would be our number. That's an expanded form up here. All right, we're showing you expanded form. I'll do one more, okay? Oh, clear. We'll start over. I'll do one more, and I'll do the tens place, the hundreds place. You ready? Oh, can you see that? I'm gonna not put any ones. So take a minute. See if you can read that number for me. I always read it with the biggest number, the biggest place value first, and we've got the hundreds right here. Did you say 210? Yes, you were right, because here's 200, 100, 200, 10, and 0 ones. So that is 210. All right. Shall we do it? 200s, 110, 0 ones. That's what it would look like in hundreds, tens, and ones. Expanded form. Okay, we're going back to thinking the value, how much it's worth. In tens, ones, and hundreds, we're just counting how many groups of each we have, right? 2 groups of 100, 1 group of 10, and no ones. Okay, but with expanded form, we have to count the value, how much it's worth. So we're in the hundreds place. So to find the value, you have to count by 100. 100, 200. Here we go. Let's see if I can get 200. I'm really hoping so. 200 plus, now we go to the next place value. That's the next smallest. How much do we have here? Do we have 1 or 10? You're right. Plus 10. Great. Plus, how many ones do we have over here? 0. That's the expanded form of 210. Okay? Nice job today. Hey, maybe your parents could write it in a number in its standard form, and you could practice doing it in your expanded form. I'm sure you would impress your parents, okay? Try a couple today. I know it's not part of the work today, but it's still working with place value. Have fun with the games and have fun. I think it's ST Math Day. All right, have fun with that.